So, hi friends, I'm Harshit from Tech Studio, where we tell you about some really cool solutions to easy and complex problems. Right, so today we will be looking at how to create a video quickly in the Windows inbuilt app, which is a video editor. Right, so how do you open this, right? So what you should do is close this app first.
Okay, so to open video editor, you can just click on the search bar here, right, and type video editor, right, and then this shows an app here, which is a video editor.
So now let's look at how to create a new video project using the video editor. Right. So first click on the new video project. But as soon as you do this, this will ask your name. Let's name our project as a demo project for our brand Flavoroso. Right. So Flavoroso is our bakery in here in India. Right. So let's create a quick video for branding. Right. So let's add some photos and videos to this video project. Right. So let me add all of these cake pictures and some of the videos here. Right. So as you can see, there's one of this video here, and then all of them are the images. So let me just open it. All of these will come up here as pictures. Right. And then I can just leave this because this is a branding photo, and maybe this video because I want to add that later, and then rest I can just put it like this. So all of these pictures will come up as in the storyboard, right? And then this I can add it here directly as the branding image at the top, and this video maybe somewhere in the middle. Let's say we want to keep it somewhere here, right? So we can keep the video here, which is a 1 minute 47-second video, right? So let's look at now what all we can do, right? So let's say for the first slide of the first photo in the video, I want to make the duration as 5 seconds, right? So let's change the duration. So overall, the length of our video currently is showing as 3 minutes 4 seconds and 6 milliseconds. And let's add some background music, some nice music, some happy tone. Let's hit this one and let's volume. Sounds good. Done. Right. So let me play it now. Right. So as you can see, this will keep going on second by second. Right. So let's say we can add some animations and 3D effects as well. So let's add some frozen effects to the Anna and Elsa photo. Right. Maybe this sounds to be real fun. So let's say done. Right. And as soon as you do this, and if you do a play, right, you can see a nice animation playing on this photo, right? So like this we can actually create video, right? And then you can also add filters. For example, let's see some photo which we want to add it. Let's say, yeah, this photo is looking a little less contrasting, so let's add some filters to it, right? So let's say this one. Now you can see the contrast is much better, and let's say done, right? So this is about filters, 3D effects, motion. Let's see what we can do with motion, right? So with motion, what you can do is you can control how the picture will appear. So as soon as you click on this, see, it will control the motion of how your picture moves from, let's say, zoom out right, zoom in right, zoom in center, this way, right? So let's say zoom out center for this image, done, right? So everything is like very simple. You can also add a custom audio from here, and you can add whatever file you have downloaded, or you already have your custom music. You can just add it from here, and you can also select, let's say you want that for multiple photos or multiple videos. So just select this video, for example, and add a custom background music to that. Let's say we want to add Explorer, so just add that for this, so it will just be added to this, right? So once we are done, this is you can also do a lot of splitting and all, right? So let's say for this video I want to split it, right? Splitting and trimming can only be done for a video. Let's say I want to split it into two parts, right? So here I can just do a play for this video, right? And let's say I want to split it out at this point, right? So I can just stop it here, right, and do a split, right? And it will actually show me clip 1 and clip 2 after this. So just do done, right? So as you can see, let's split the video into two parts, 54 seconds and 52 seconds now. And let's say I want to trim this first video as well, right? So what I can do is, let's say I want to remove the initial part, right? Let's say I want to start the video from here, right? So just do select from here, and then do done, right? So this will trim the video, right? And if you look at it now, right, it's showing 3 seconds lesser. So it will actually, it has trimmed the first part. As you can see, the title card it has removed, right? And if you want to add a title card before this, what we can do is just do add title card, right? And click on this and do text, right? And just do cake recipe video, right? And you can actually follow this something what you like, something like this, for example, or this one, right? And do done, right? So as soon as this photo goes, you can see, right? Let's see, right? As soon as this one completes, this will show up, and then our video will start playing, right? So as you can see, right, we have a nice control here on different parts of the video, of the photos, right? It's a complete mix of everything, right? So here we have seen, like we have added a title card, we have trimmed the video, we have split it down, we have added text, we have controlled the motion, 3D effects, filters. We can also do a speed, right? If you want for this video, let's say we want to double out the speed, so just do 64x 2x, right? So it will actually then reduce the length of the video, right? So as you can see now, right, this video has reduced to 25 seconds and it will play at double the speed, right? See, it will just do everything very fast, right? Yeah, so very nice controls added up into this built-in app, right? And we can do a lot of things, right? So let's then after done, what we can do is we can just finish our video, right? Just click on finish video and you can choose the different qualities that you want for the video, and then do export, and there are more options that you can use depending on the kind of hardware that you have, and do export, right? So this will start exporting the video. What you can do is you can just complete out on whatever work you are doing, right? And then as soon as this is done, you will get a pop-up. So now we have this final video ready after we have exported it completely from the video editor, right? And as you can see, with the name is demo project Flavoroso. So now let's play our video and see how it's looking, right? We have added some nice music, right? As you can hear it, right? And then we had added this nice animation for Frozen theme, right? Then all these photos here, right? And then this, as you can see the speed, right? We had doubled the speed, we had trimmed the video, we had split it out, right? This is the zoom in zoom out effect that we had added, right? And we had added the filters here, right? So this is the final video, right? As you can see, right, we actually did a lot of things here. So if you like this video and this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel Tech Studio so that I can keep making such nice informative videos for you, right? Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.